How to use effects on TikTok Live. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use effects on TikTok Live. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the plus button which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here, once you are in the camera section, you simply have to look at the bottom and there you simply have to swipe to the live tab. But as of right now, I haven't enabled the live tab. So here, if you have enabled the live tab, you simply have to go to the live tab and there you simply have to set your title and cover photo. And after that, once you are on the live preview screen there on the right side, you simply have to tap on effects, and after that a menu will pop up with different trending effects, beauty filters, stickers, AR face effects. So there you can just tap on any effect to preview it immediately. And now there inside the effects menu you can set the beauty tools, filters, and you can adjust the sliders as needed. And there to change your light background, you can just tap on effects and select green screen and choose a custom photo or video to place behind you, which is great for reaction content and tutorial. And there you can also place emojis, text bubbles, animated stickers, and once your effects are ready, you can just tap go live and all effects stay active during your stream. And there you can switch effects while streaming too. To do that, you simply have to tap on effects on the right and pick a new effect and it will apply instantly. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.